No cap, this terminal is giving major NPC energy, but we are about to get absolutely skibidi with it. Today we are taking this mid terminal and make it giga cooked. Kings and queens, let's get cooking. First, we gotta yeet that meat while it be ground and get some Chad Dog sim going. Then we gotta switch up from that giga bash shell that's literally so dead as basic to demonic Z shell. Z shell is much more busting than basic bash. It's not even comp, you know what I'm saying? Just drop these comments, set Z shell as your default. That's so real. To apply your changes, log out, log in, and we are mogging. When you relaunch that terminal, Z shell hits you that configuration wizard. Choose option 2 because we are not in PC. It's time to get nonchalant with Oh-My-Zsh Setup. Such a goofy naming, minus aura. But we are rizzlers, we do not pay attention to that. Let's install Oh-My-Zsh Setup. With one command, we are installing whole framework that's about to make our terminal go stupid with its crazy plugins. So let's install these goofy plugins that are actually so fire. First plugin is Auto Suggestions plugin, reading your mind like crazy. Second one is syntax highlighting, colors going brazy. Fast syntax highlighting, even more brazy. And autocomplete, tab game changer, you know what I'm saying. After you install all of them, open that Z shell configuration file and cook by activating the plugins. In the plugin section, just add on all the plugins you have installed. Exit and reload the configuration file with a quick. Now we have got colors that mogging other terminals. With rizz helper features, coloring to red for commands that do not exist and green for the ones that do. The tab completion plugin can be a bit too rizz sometimes. TSPMO for real. So I'm gonna yeet it. Peace out of here. Yeah, are you feeling? Time to add some aesthetics. That will have your terminal looks maxing with Oh-My-Posh. Oh my god. Yeah, naming again. Be strong, Sigma. Let's install Oh-My-Posh. Yeah. Then we gotta install those nerd fonts to get icons that make your terminal look like it's from Gatrooms for real. So let's install nerd fonts required for Pixinema. We will use Oh-My-Posh CLI tool. Yeah, and I'm going to pick Maslow from the list because I'm so real for that. Now let's change our terminal font settings and relaunch to see the cooked like Hazenburger. Yeah, now it's time to pick themes. They're absolutely maxed. The GitHub repo of Oh-My-Posh has a theme folder with options that are straight bussing. And you can see preview of these themes in the website, trust me. Okay, I have installed this theme folder luckily because I'm not in PC. And no cap, with one comment, configuration comment, where you specify theme file and you feel ready to go bussing. Let's add this configuration to our Z shell config file and reload. Now as you can see, your terminal is glowing up. Yeah, Sigma. Changing themes can be done without edging. Just find one on their website, make sure it's in your local folder, do not be in PC. Update your config and boom, terminal transformation that's level 10 aura. Yeah. Sometimes you can have NPC moment with icons, especially in IDE integrated terminal. To fix that issue, just change the font of integrated terminal into nerd font. Here's an example how to fix it in VS Code. For outro, let me set my favorite Craver theme, Get. And there you have it. Your terminal went from basic to absolutely Brainrot bussing. It's giving main character energy and helping you code faster than rizz Lightyear. Drop a comment if you are confused, skill issue, and do not forget to like and subscribe or you're literally an NPC. Thank you for watching and stay moving.